Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Beats Studio 3 wireless over-ear headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not pairing with your Bluetooth device or not connecting or not syncing, or if they keep disconnecting, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set them up again because the pairing history will be wiped off of them, but that's the second reason you might want to do that. If you're trying to set these up with a new device or something like that, and you just want them like it's just coming out of the box, we can do that really simply. All we need to do is we're going to come over and find the power button over here, and on the other earphone, we're going to find the volume down button. And we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, you'll see all of the fuel gauge lights here blink, at which point you can release the buttons and you can go ahead and turn the headphones back on and set them up as a new set of headphones. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.